Hello, today we will guide you through how to add image to Kaggle Notebook. To begin, open Kaggle in your web browser. This is the platform where you can create and work inside notebooks for data science, machine learning, and general experimentation. Once the site loads, make sure you are on the main Kaggle homepage so you can access the notebook creation tools easily. At the top left area of the screen, look for the Create button and click it. This is where Kaggle lets you start building something new. If you are new to the platform, this menu is the starting point for creating different kinds of projects, and in this case, we want to start a notebook where the image will be added. After clicking Create, select Notebook from the available options. This will open a fresh Kaggle Notebook workspace. Give it a moment to load fully. Once it opens, you will be inside the editing environment, which is where you can add files and work with code, text, and other notebook content. Next, find and click the Upload option in the notebook interface. This is the feature that allows you to bring files from your computer into the Kaggle Notebook environment. Uploading the image first is important because Kaggle needs access to the file before you can use it inside your notebook cells. When the file browser opens, browse to the sample picture or whichever image you want to add. Navigate through your folders carefully and select the correct file. It helps to double-check the image name before choosing it, especially if you have multiple similar files saved on your device. Once the image is selected, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the upload. Depending on your browser or system, you may need to confirm the file selection or wait a few moments while the image is transferred. Let the upload finish completely before moving on. If the file is large, it may take a little longer, so just be patient and watch for the upload to complete successfully. After that, your image should now be available inside the Kaggle Notebook environment, ready for use in your project. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh or check the upload area again to confirm it was added properly. That's it. You've successfully uploaded an image to a Kaggle Notebook. Thanks for following along, and we hope this makes working in Kaggle a little easier.